Kindle Prime allows you to edit and resubmit your live books even if they weren't uploaded with it. Please note that you can edit some fields such as title, subtitle, author, etc. This restriction is from KDP itself, but not from us. In this tutorial, we want to change the price of some specific books. The first thing we want to do is to search for those live books we want to edit. Go to Live Books, Fast Search, Perform New Search, and enter your search query. The words you search for should be in the title, subtitle or author's name. The result could contain the books that already exist in the queue, the books that already exist in the archive, or the new books, the ones that doesn't exist in the queue neither in the archive. The main advantage for books that already exist in the queue or the archive is that you can export them with their original data, so the exported Excel file will be already filled. For the new books, you can export them too, but you will have to fill other fields if needed. Click on Show Result. You can filter the result using these tools. Once done, select the desired books, then click on Export. For more information on how to export to Excel, please check out basic tutorials. Now, let's open the exported layout and start editing. Please note that when editing live books, you must fill only the fields you want to change except the title, which is required by Kindle Prime to show your books in the queue. For the fields that you don't want to change, you can either leave them empty, or remove the entire columns. Let's change the price to $7.99. Save your layout, and go back to Kindle Prime. Click on Import to Queue. Please don't try to import live books directly from the queue menu because you will have errors when checking required fields. Instead, use this button to skip the required files and fields. Now, when setting up upload settings, you can either ignore all the settings by clicking on Ignore, or selecting only the section you want to apply its settings. Remember that we are in live books, and you must check or fill only the fields you want to change. In our case, we want prices of other marketplaces to be rounded to 0.99, so I leave Pricing section checked, and I check Rounding Price option. Few notes to keep in mind. If you want to change just a specific field in a section, you can always add it in your Excel layout by overriding Upload Settings, and when importing it back, disable that section here because it gonna get the value from your Excel layout. Other marketplaces' prices are related to the primary price, so those prices will be ignored if you don't set the primary price in your layout. Changing some specific fields requires launching the print previewer before continuing to pricing page. We are gonna save the changes as draft for tutorial purposes. Click on Start Queue. You will notice that Kindle Prime will skip all the unchanged fields. Let's stick with the last tab. You can see that the price has changed to $7.99, which is the new value that we have just set. You can do the same with any other field you want to change, and for as many books as you want. We hope you find this feature useful. Thank you.